gonna put a brand new faucet in this old farmhouse, and it looks like I only need two things: the caulk and the wrench. Now here's my old stuff. I got it already prepped, ready to pop out. And this was a $12 piece of plastic faucet that, you know, wasn't gonna last long anyway. But anyway, let's go look at the new one here. Okay, we got instructions first off, which, if you take a look here, these are like photo instructions. This is so easy. Okay, let's set that aside. And here's our new one. First thing is, you want to try to seal the bottom of it. And there's a little groove here that I always like to use. Just apply some of this. A lot of people use plumber's putty. Some people use a silicone caulk, clear or white, doesn't really matter. It just takes a second to do it right. And of course, this will stop the cabinet from wrecking later on in the long run. No, it's pretty straightforward here. Of course, you gotta have paper towels. Okay, now the next thing is they give you a tool, and the anchor for this is a nut and this, and pretty much you just load the nut in here. And let's go underneath here. I really don't need my hard head because there isn't enough room for me to be down here with that. And, well, there's easy to see here. I pretty much just slip this on to get it started. Oh wow, these people give me all the tools. Okay, this is going too easy here. I got up further. That's a nice heavy brass faucet. And what I'm doing is I'm snugging up this long brass nut. The reason it's so long is sometimes people have granite countertops that are much, much thicker, up to 2 inches thick on some. So this guy has thought that out, and there, I'm in. Okay, now I'm just setting this up. Now the next thing is real simple here, is to attach the hot and cold water lines right here. Like this. That was easy, except, and here's the other one. So far I've only used that plastic tool that they've given me. And that's in. Okay, now I'm gonna get the side spray hose, which, take a look here. First I'm gonna put piece on. I like how they have it together, so I don't have to actually look for this part and try to figure it out if I'm novice or not, you know. Now I'm gonna still seal this because it only just takes a second to stop water from going in there, and you gotta stay near the outside of this, or else if you go near the center, that's all that takes. Put that in there. And then from underneath, this. Where is that? Oh, I just lost my flashlight. I forgot to mention, but a flashlight's an important tool for this kind of a job. I don't know if you can see past my hand, but I'm just basically putting this nut on here. I hope it doesn't sound rude, but basically a woman can do this job. It's sometimes the hard part is taking out the other faucet. Okay, that's in. Now, I'm going to grab side spray and put that in. Too. And just stick it in where it belongs, right here. I like to push it all the way down. Okay, and this time I'm going to go down here. I'm going to tighten up the water. But with the side spray, they have this real simple little connector here. And it doesn't take any tools at all. You just push these to connect these hoses. But like I say, first thing I'm going to do is tighten up my water supply lines here. So, really simple. You don't want to tighten them too tight, and the new stuff has an O-ring right inside of that, so there's really nothing complicated about it. Okay, now here's my new hose. Now look, I'm going to show you this one here where you can see it. You just push it in there and just push this. There, it's locked. And the same with up here. This one's flexible, so I'm going to do... Oh, well, that wasn't too smart, guys. I didn't press it all the way. We would have had a leak. Okay. So you can see there are two different links. One's longer and one's shorter. And that's kind of telling you which way to put these in. I don't know if you saw that. I just pushed it up against the brass one first. And way back here is this piece where you just press it. Like that. And until it clicks, and I'm not getting it. I'm still not getting it. That probably tells me I've got them on the wrong one. I'll turn it around. We'll try to get it to click. Yep, that one clicked. Now, this one's flexible, a little easier to work with. You could hardly see what I'm doing, but it did show you. There, I heard it click. And... okay, now, I'm going to turn both waters back on down here. I don't see any leaking there. And I don't see any leaking there. Let's go up on top and see what we got. Okay guys, this is the moment here. There they are. It's basically done. I just still need to tighten it up. Try the side spray. Done. Anybody can do this.